These were the records of their days. Way back when.
So,
You
yeah,
probably don't
was
even
this
know
like
what a record was.
turn
Yeah,
of the
we
century?
do. Actually, records were those
1920s.
discs
Can I
that
try
you would
putting
play.
it on now? Because that would be nice.
So what was the when was something like this manufactured?
What, the
Wait.
piano?
Yes.
Well, this piano was built in 1908,
Okay.
Wow.
but the company actually the manufactured the.
Wait a second.
Does this thing actually read it?
Well, what it does is it pulls air through these holes in this bar here,
And
and it with the corresponding holes in the paper. That's how.
It was called the organ grinder. I think I've heard about it.
And they had this big keyboard. I don't know how many tiers of keys. And there was
Wait, he's talking to me.
the instruments, the walls which had instruments, chimes and pipes and drums lining the walls of this place. But from outside in the parking lot, you could hear the music and you walked in the door